I am Laurent Roy, an experienced professor in the Robotics and Artificial Intelligence program that commenced this year at IUT Béziers. I am honored to be a part of this new and exciting initiative, contributing to the advancement of technology and education in this field. We have been in search of a product that would enable us to introduce our students to the fascinating world of robotics. The NED robots provided by Niryo appeared to be a smart choice. Yeah, we definitely needed robots that were easy to handle and manage in our operations. I also saw that there were other colleagues in universities used for research and in engineering schools. I've seen them on stands at Global Industry or elsewhere, and it seemed to me that they were interesting from an educational standpoint. So I got in contact with one of your sales technicians. We made a purchase directly from Niryo for a total of 4 Net2 robots. We make use of Net2 robots in different ways. There was a robot specifically tasked with serving drinks, there was a robot that had the role of playing chess, and there was a robot functioning as an assistant for a game. So the students work on gazebo and simulation. We'll be able to control this robot, and then all we have to do is change the IP address to connect to the actual robot. And they use it in different approaches. First of all, in a very basic grip, there are different movements. And then after that, we actually use it as a tool for learning computer science and Python in particular. We really liked how flexible the different programming modes were. The Net2 robot is a great product to get into robotics, for getting started with robotics. And it's also a product that allows students to develop their imagination and creativity through projects.